Hi guys, quick announcements. I don't have a whole lot for you today. Not a whole lot going on this week. A normal week. We just have 4 days though, and one day is almost over. It's 3 o'clock. So on our website, I do have our next book order. I'm putting in the 31st, so that's what, next week? Yep, next Thursday I'll put in this order, and then once they get to me, it's pretty quick turnaround to get to me, and then I'll mail them to you. So lots of fun stuff in there. Mini dollar books, $3 books. So if you have the ability and would like to, that's there for you. Don't forget the class code. Remember, when you're done with this video, go back and click the survey. And I'll go ahead and give you your secret word right now. I'll remind you later, but your secret word for today is ice. There's some ice coming at my house, and things are starting to close. Our weekend at glance, don't forget our morning meetings. Those have been a lot of fun in kindergarten. I bet you first grade has been enjoying those as well. And we'll do another growth mindset, and then any student of the week that you want to send to us, we will get it out there on Friday. So you can send those anytime. Reminder of our schedule very quickly. Today is the 22nd of January. We have about this week, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks before we have another day off. So school holiday in the 18th of February, and then our spring break is in March, the 11th through the 15th. So you can mark your calendars for that. And like I've been saying, the end of the year will come super duper quick, so make sure you're keeping up on those pacing charts. Mrs. Burdick and I will be checking on progress within the next couple weeks and reaching out if we have some concerns on that. And then our last day of school is the 23rd. I had the 24th in my head. It must be the 23rd of May. So just be aware of that. Our TGAs, reminder, our January, if you were at our live session December 5th, you do not owe us anything. We have you marked down as a freebie, free pass. If you did not attend the December 5th, we need a work sample for you. It was due January 8th. So please make sure you send that to your homeroom teacher. February 5th, which is going to be in a couple weeks, we will need a work sample from you. This one will be emailed to me if you're in kindergarten, Mrs. Burdick if you're in first grade, and that is one current sample of math and one current sample of phonics. That can be in your workbooks. We prefer something that's not just circling answers, but actually writing. Sometimes that's hard in kinder, but if you can find something, that would be awesome. All right, the only other thing that I have is I did do a drawing this week for a couple books. I have a couple books that I was going to mail out. Every time we do a book order, Mrs. Grimes gets a couple free books, so I want to give those back to you guys. So if you attended a live session this last week, we put your name in a jar here. And I'm going to pull out a name. Let me stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. So I am going to mail, let's see, I'll mail this book to AJ in kindergarten. I guess I should put the book. AJ, I'll send you that book for this week. Let me put your sticky note on it so I don't forget. And then, let's see, first grade bucket. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Let's see, we'll do this book for, oh, there we go, Miss Amber. Miss Amber, I'm going to mail you that book. And then we'll do the same thing. I've got 2 more for next week. So next week when I do the announcements, I'll send some more books out. So if you're at any live sessions, we'll put your name in the jar and we'll pick out a name each week. All right, I think that's it. If you guys have any questions and I didn't go over something, just let me know. Reminder to go back and do the secret word, and it's ice. Have a great week, guys. Bye-bye.